To summarize what we've discussed today, uh, once Flex used to be seen as a stopgap arrangement, not the case anymore. Today, it's become mainstream. Today, a lot of large corporates have adopted the concept, are moving forward with the concept, which is in turn increasing demand, which is in turn increasing the absorption, which is in turn increasing the pie of the market that we see as a city or as a country. I think Chennai a few years ago would have been only a few thousand desks if you look at it. Today it's crossing or touching 150. That's a lot, right? When you look at the overall scheme of things. Almost 20% of India's stock is likely to be leased by a lot of flex operators. So these are big numbers, because we are not talking about a few million. We're talking about India's population going into triple-digit numbers, so to speak. It's no longer just about desks. It's not about plug and play. Employee experience is at the center of how offices are getting designed. It's not just about productivity anymore. You very clearly mentioned, it's about you looking at your employee as a customer, catering to their needs, not even as a whole, but individually as teams, specific teams, and catering the design through those teams. And today that is possible by the flex market, right? Which is, for some companies, may a bit difficult to do by themselves. Today that opportunity lies, which is why probably you mentioned GCCs, the percentage of Mana, because they are cost centers to a large extent. For them to come and, test quarters become so much more easier. For them to scale up, scale down becomes so much more easier. The business uncertainty kept in mind becomes easier. And last but not the least, we also touched upon Tier 2, Tier 3 cities and how that has come a long way. We talked about Coimbatore. We talked about how their leasing went up drastically last year. Few years ago, I know for the fact Regus was the only operator of business center there. Today, a lot of operators have stepped in. Today, clients have options to choose from. Today, you don't have to go to a massive, tidy park or big tech park for a 50,000, 1 lakh if you need only 50 seats. Today, you go to a Coimbatore, you want a 30 seats, you can approach an operator, you can test waters, you can give your employees an experience of working in a tier 3 city, but not feeling like they're sitting in a grade B building. You can give them their employee experience, which wasn't again there a few years ago. So bottom line, we've come a long way from 5 years ago. I'll not even say 10. 5 years ago, with the entire business mindset landscape has shifted. Closing statement, if I were to ask each of you to just one concept of in the future, right? If you were to make a prediction, it can be random, it can be crazy, it can be, because what we're experiencing today was crazy back then, right? It was not common, it was not normal. So if you were to say one thing, 5 years from now, this maybe could happen, this crazy thing could happen, what would it be? We'll start with you.
I'll say this concept is here to stay, and we will see more evolution. Here's something.
Same with me. I see at least what's the market share today.
23%. You see that going up?
So in a year or so, they may hit between 40 to 45.
It's absolutely possible. Going by the data that we have in terms of pre-commitments, that's very, very likely.
Year on year is already for
it is. When we look at it, India standards, it's already gone up, but yeah, that's true. Rita?
So this I heard it from a person, not my personal thoughts. So it's just last time. When do you remember you called a restaurant and ordered a food?
Honestly,
instead of Swiggy, Zomato, just directly to the restaurant or the orders.
I can't even remember. It's been that long.
So it's similarly, instead of taking your own space with the traditional leasing, we just hub to a cover.
Wow. Okay, that's great jump to where we're at. Perfect, Arni. Thanks a lot. Extremely wonderful views. Thank you so much for all of you for being here today.